Renewable Energy Connector Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global renewable energy connector market size will expand at a CAGR of 6.6% from 2024 to 2031. North America Renewable Energy Connector will grow at a CAGR of 4.8% from 2024 to 2031. Europe Renewable Energy Connector market size of USD 5.1% million. Asia Pacific Renewable Energy Connector will grow at a CAGR of 8.6% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America Renewable Energy Connector will grow at a CAGR of 6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa Renewable Energy Connector will grow at a CAGR of 6.3% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.